From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of waking up to a jarring alarm clock every morning? Well, I've got the solution for you. With the 𝗏 Restore 3 Sunrise Alarm Clock, a game-changing device that's about to revolutionize your wake-up routine. This incredible product is designed to help you create healthy sleep habits and wake up feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. With its smart technology and noise-canceling features, you'll be able to sleep better and wake up easier. And it's no wonder that thousands of customers have already made the switch and love it. One of the key benefits of the 𝗏 Restore 3 is its ability to help you unwind at night. With a range of soothing sounds and a dimmable clock that won't keep you awake. Imagine drifting off to sleep to the sound of gentle waves or a peaceful forest, and waking up to a simulated sunrise that gradually gets brighter and brighter, helping to regulate your natural circadian rhythms. The 𝗏 Restore 3 also comes with a subscription to 𝗏+, which gives you access to a wealth of premium content, including guided meditations and sleep stories, all designed to help you relax and prepare for a great night's sleep. But what really sets the 𝗏 Restore 3 apart is its ability to help you sleep more deeply and wake up feeling more refreshed. With its customizable sleep schedule and smart alarm, you can train your body to wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. And the gentle sunrise simulation will help you wake up feeling more alert and focused. And with its range of sleep sounds and white noise options, you can create the perfect sleep environment to suit your needs. Whether you're a light sleeper or a heavy sleeper, the 𝗏 Restore 3 has got you covered. And it's perfect for anyone who struggles to wake up in the morning or has trouble sleeping through the night. So why not give it a try and start waking up feeling refreshed, renewed, and ready to take on the day? As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.